From Providence, Rhode Island, real courtrooms, real cases, real people. This is Caught in Providence. Ahead on Caught in Providence.
Oh, now you're blaming the car clock. Oh, see? This is the first police report that I've seen a person being accused of what you were being accused of.
That section right there is Atwell's, and that got mad, lights.
First up, in Providence Municipal Courts. In this case, every minute counts.
Sarah, you have one ticket on Cushing Street, no parking, 8 to 10.
Correct.
You were there at, oh, no.
Not the 1
I
minute.
literally pulled up
Not the
at
1 minute.
9:58.
Ticket was issued at 9:59.
There's right.
9:59 and 58 seconds. And you can't park there until 10 o'clock. And you violated the city ordinances.
I did.
These are the city ordinances, Inspector Quinn, that she violated.
That point two will get you every time, Judge.
And our parking enforcement officers are second to none in the country. So what do you want to tell me about this? Taking the wrong path in life.
My car clock said 10.
Oh, now you're blaming the car clock. Oh, see?
I'm sorry, Judge.
She's blaming the clock on her car. Inspector Quinn, what does justice demand in this case? Is this jail?
10 o'clock means 10 o'clock, Judge.
10 o'clock
My
means 10
father
o'clock?
told me that growing up.
Yeah. I think 9:59 is close enough to 10. Matter's dismissed.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Next up, should this defendant plead the fifth?
Vincenzo,
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
what do your friends call you? They call you Vincenzo or they call you Vincent?
Vincent.
Or Vinny?
Vincent.
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 Very formal. They don't call you
No.
Vinny or anything like that.
Only my mother.
Your mother, what'd she call you? Fernanda?
For that.
Oh. You don't know what that means.
No, but I'm sure that's it's a term of endearment, Your Honor.
Usually when they say Fernanda, they take their hand and they go like this. Fernanda, right?
Yes.
This is a very interesting police report. This is the first police report that I've seen a person being accused of what you were being accused of. Here's what they accused you of being. Police report says that at this establishment that they were made aware of a subject being distrustful. I think they meant to say disturbing, right? But they accused you of being distrustful. So we're going to get the lie detector test and put you on the test to see if he's distrustful or not. Inspector Quinn, what charge is this being distrustful?
How do you do it, Judge? Your Honor, I had a chance to speak to the officer at the scene there regarding this incident, and
Well, how does he know he was being distrustful? I don't
well, I
understand
don't.
that.
I agree with you. I think the officer might just say either disrespectful or unruly at the time, but he also explained that this gentleman here was not the main reason behind the big disturbance, so that's why the city moves to dismiss without prejudice.
For your information, I already wrote dismissed on this. When I read he was going to be distrustful. All right. It was an uneventful situation as far as you were concerned.
It was a misunderstanding between me and the police officer, too.
Yeah.
Because I think he was having a bad night, and
Vincenzo, I'm going to tell you something.
Yeah.
Wait, listen to me. All right. There have been many people in this courtroom who have said nothing and were on the verge of having their case dismissed. And then they started talking. And by the time they finished talking, their case wasn't dismissed.
okay.
They were found guilty. Now, there's such a thing called the Fifth Amendment. Do you know what the Fifth Amendment is?
Yes.
All right.
I take the fifth.
If I were you, if I were you, I would remember that. All right. Is there anything you want to say?
No.
Oh, good. Here you go. All right.
Yeah.
The matter is dismissed.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Your
Good
Honor.
luck to you.
Now, the case of just too many lights.
Warner.
Morning, sir. Your charge, we're going through a red light on Atwells and Harris on July 2nd, 2016. This is summons number 164096, 59401. Lights, please. Lights. Okay, what do you want to tell me about this, sir?
In that location, it's like mad lights. I was confused. Like, but I was guilty.
You're guilty,
Yeah.
and you're,
But it was at that section right there is Atwell's, and that got mad like lights, and I was confused.
you got confused?
Yes.
Tell me, why were you confused?
Because it was too many lights.
Let me tell you why you were confused. Because there were 2 lanes of traffic. They're heading west on Atwells Avenue. And in those 2 lanes of traffic, there were green lights for both lanes of traffic. Okay? However, in the 3rd lane of traffic, which is heading east, there's another light with an arrow. And that light turns red when you can't make a left-hand turn. So you're coming down and you see, in your lane of traffic, you see a green light. In the other lane of traffic, which is not your lane of traffic, there's an arrow with a red light saying you can't make a left-hand turn. That's where you got confused. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful explanation. See, I knew you'd get it straight. I just knew. I knew you had it in you. And I'm going to tell you something else that's going to surprise you. Do you want to get surprised?
Yes, sir.
I agree with you that it is confusing. And I think that the traffic engineer, whether it be state or city, should straighten it out. Because in your lane of traffic, there's a green light. In the other lane of traffic, which is not your lane, there's a red arrow. So I don't think the city can prevail on the burden of proof, which is clear and convincing evidence. You agree with that?
Yes, sir.
See, I knew. He had a great argument. He came in well prepared today. I agree. It is confusing. All right, the matter is dismissed.
Thank you.
Did you see that T-shirt? Blunt Masters? That probably had something to do with the ticket. But that intersection is known to have mad lights.
Ahead.
Guilty or not guilty? What do you say?
I don't have $400 to give you on top of whatever else. I really do.
There's more Caught in Providence just around the bend. Back to Caught in Providence, where Judge Caprio's court takes an emotional turn.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Andrew, you have 4 different registrations. You have 5 tickets that go back to 2004, 2005, and 2006. Can you prosecute those tickets?
No, Your Honor, not from 04, 05. We won't even have copies of those, Your Honor.
Those matters are going to be dismissed.
I wasn't aware of them. Anyway, I'm sorry.
Well,
Thank you.
The issue isn't whether you are aware of them. The issue is whether or not they were placed on the vehicle, and they were. At the time, you were living on 9th Street in Woonsocket. We're keeping track of you. Then you got a ticket on Friendship Street in 2008. That was a parking meter on Friendship Street. That's going to cost you $25. Then you have a parking meter in 2014 on Friendship Street. It's going to cost you $25. So far, you're doing pretty good because all you got is $50. And now you have 4 parking tickets.
Are you talking about the most recent ones
Most
now?
recent ones, right?
All right. The one on 11-1.
On the Nissan.
Yeah, the one on 11-1, I went to Social Security because they had cut my check. Because my son was recently killed last year. So they cut my check because he had owed money.
Who?
My son was killed March of last year, right? So I was his rep payee. So they took my money because he had owed money. So I had to go to Social Security to fix that matter. When I came out, my I had a ticket. Then another time on the 5th, the parking meter wasn't working. I have the picture for that. On 1/4, I was at court because my landlord was trying to evict me. So I was at eviction court. Come out, I got a ticket. Mind you, he won possession of the apartment, so I had to move. So I got a ticket, he won possession of the apartment. Then I get another one because I tried to go to the legal services to try to get help to fix this. I go get some change out of Dunkin' Donuts, come out, I got a $100 ticket.
What was
It's
the,
like I can't win.
what was the situation with the mix-up in Social Security with your son?
My son was killed last year, March of last year. They said that he owed $75 of overpayment from May of 2016. Mind you, he was already deceased at that time. So what they did was they stopped my whole check until I went in there to fix the problem. So when I came out, I had a parking ticket.
All right.
I've had a tough year already. I'm on SSDI. I don't have $400 to give you on top of whatever else. I really do. I just had to come up with money for a new apartment. I'm still paying Russell and Boyle for my son's funeral. Like, I don't know where this money's supposed to come from. I wish I would have got my brother that night and he wouldn't have killed my son. That's why my son's gone. And I'm just really having a tough time, Your Honor.
I think we can all express our sympathy to you and understand the trauma that you have experienced.
I'm still going back and forth to court for that. There's still emotions and I don't know.
I'm going to take all of the circumstances that you just have explained to me into consideration and see if I can balance the equities to protect the interest of the city and take into consideration, the horrific story that you just told us relative to your son. I don't think anyone in their lifetime would ever want to experience that, so.
It's the worst feeling in the world. I feel so empty, Lord.
I'm going to reduce this to $50. How much time do you need to pay it?
I have it on me now.
All right. That's not going to leave you without any money, is it?
I'll leave here with $5. Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm not going to leave you with $5. I'm not going to leave you. I'm going to dismiss everything.
Thank you.
All right. With our best wishes and hope that things turn around good for you. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck to you. Good luck. This case has all of the elements that would lead you to deviate from massive fines. It has tragedy, it has compassion, it has a heartbroken mother, it has someone who is destitute. Given the human elements involved in this case, justice screamed for mercy and compassion.
Coming up.
I didn't feel like we were, exceeding too much over the limit.
Not too much.
No, like
just a little.
There's more Caught in Providence ahead. Back in Providence Municipal Court, where honesty is always the best policy.
Morning, sir.
Good morning,
The charge was speeding, sir. Have you been driving for 3 years?
No, I've not been driving in the U.S. for 3 years. No, but I've been driving in Africa before the U.S. So I just get my U.S. license like 6 months ago.
Oh, you celebrated by speeding.
No, I didn't see no speed sign on Harris Avenue, and that was the way from Harris to Providence Place, like towards Providence Place Mall. I didn't see no sign, so I thought that was like 30, the speed limits and something like that. But when the cop stopped me, He told me that the speed limit was 25, and then he gave me a ticket and told me that I was driving 35. So, but he wrote 38 on the ticket.
No, he wrote 35.
Oh, okay. I saw another 38 on the side. I don't know what it means, though.
Yeah. Now, you received a driver's license in Rhode Island, right?
Yes,
And you had to study the book, right?
yes, I did.
Yeah, and then in that book, did you read that unless otherwise posted that the speed limit within the city limits is 25? You didn't read that chapter?
Yes.
Oh, you read that?
I read that, but
Oh, you read it.
there are some other places in
I
the.
think everyone read it, Judge.
Yeah. I read
To
that.
abide
I read
by
the
it's the
book.
issue.
That's why I
It
get
didn't
my
mean
license.
anything.
You know, but I was with my wife and my two babies. They're over there.
Where are
you know,
they?
So I was.
Where are they? Oh, bring them up here. Come here.
You know, I was with all of them.
Get them up here.
I was with all of them, and I didn't feel like I was speeding because I was just following the cars in front of me. But when he stopped me, I just pulled over. I didn't know why he stopped me, but he told me that I was speeding.
Yeah.
But I was not very looking at my speed when I was driving.
Yeah. Were you in the
He was in the car too.
Were you in the car with him?
Yes, I was in the passenger seat.
Oh, did you tell him to slow down?
Well, I didn't feel like we were, exceeding too much over the limit.
Not too much.
No,
No,
like.
just a little.
Yeah, just a little. I didn't.
No, she.
Now we found the honest one. He wasn't looking at the odometer. She felt it.
Who else was in the car?
It just the baby.
Oh, now
was in-
endangerment of a child as well.
Yeah, and he wouldn't. Well, I mean, he wouldn't go over the speed limit,
So-
excessively, knowing that the family was in the car.
I got it. All right. So he endangered your life, the mother of the child, right, and the child, right? Is that what he did?
No, he did not
He
do
did
that.
not. Okay. And who's this little guy?
This is our other son,
What's his name?
Menelik.
Hi. Look up here.
Look at the
Say hi. Hi. All right, come up here. Bring him up here. I want to ask him a question.
Watch your step in the middle.
Over here. No, you stay there. You get back over there. I'm going to ask you two questions, okay?
Okay.
And you're going to say one or the other. Now, we're talking about your father, right? Now, you're going to say guilty or not guilty. What do you say?
Guilty.
Guilty. An honest boy. Shake hands. Good luck. Okay, you can go back. It's official. You are guilty.
No, he didn't understand. He doesn't know what he's saying.
Well, you have a wonderful family.
Thank you.
I'm going to give you credit for your good driving record back in Africa.
Thank you.
Okay? Just be careful down there.
I will.
And you have a very honest young man as well. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, goodbye.
See you next time. And until then, don't get caught in Providence.